getting cold and wet outside, so we're lighting the fire. In this episode, we went with a group of friends to taste a white truffle menu. And because it's really cold outside and it's raining, we decided to finish some tasks which are still laying around, like finishing the floor in the attic. This is our simple life at Castelletta. We changed our corporate office jobs, becoming permaculture farmers. We live in an ancient stone house in the central of Italy, grow our own lemons, have an olive grove and a beautiful vegetable garden, all permaculture. We have a vineyard, almond and fruit trees and a lot of animals to keep us company. Follow our simple life in the coming episodes. In the attic, in between the two rooms from our apartment, there's a height difference of 3 centimeters. So I'm going to fill it up with a bit of cement before we can finish the floor on one side. I let it dry for 2 days, so it should be ready now. Can take the barrier away. So now we can finally finish the floor. This is first the insulation layer to keep the noise out and keep the heat in.
I need to hear that, it's more better than dollar. Smile, all I've ever wanted. Number of mine. Obviously.
I love you.
I love you.
Sometimes we manage to work in harmony. Got it on camera.
Got to let you know. I know what you do.
This floor has a click mechanism. It's made from PVC but looks like wood. It's easy to clean and it's really good for insulation. After all this hard work, it's time to have a break. And tonight we're in a local restaurant where their specialty is white truffle. This is the black truffle, but the white one is coming up soon. One word, delicious.
Allora l'uomo gli fa.
They're weighing the truffle because you have to pay per gram. And today 1 gram costs €2.80.
Dai, dai.
And you can serve yourself, of course.
Non l'ho mai visto il tartufo a volontà.
What do you think? Does he like it?
Lecca il piatto, Giuliano.
Giuliano si è tuffato però.
Sì, 3-2. Piano piano un po' trema, Io sempre. Piano piano gli fa ancora. No, a domani
These are called arrosticini. They're originally from Abruzzo, but here in La Marca they are also really famous.
In Abruzzo. Che andiamo il 9 dicembre.
9 dicembre li mangiamo noi quelli.
Io voglio quando
Tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a Maria.
And traditionally, when there's a birthday, you need a birthday cake. Buon compleanno a Maria.
Aspettate, li fate una
Dai. Ok.
Normali, con la tecnologia in corsa. Non riesce a utilizzare niente.